They have been on the ground keeping us updated. And of course, you can go to www.standardmedia.co.ke for anything that you think that you might missed in our coverage. We'll be continuing with our coverage at 3 o'clock. But for now, let's take a look at some sports stories. Tata Girls High School announced their intentions of winning this year's Airtel Rising Stars Football Cup when they humiliated Ntunene 6-0 on the second day of the competition at Kangaru High School in Embu. Vieira Girls had earlier edged out St. John's Kaloni 2-1 in an earlier match. In the first two volleyball matches played this morning, Kwathanze from Eastern blanked Kanganga at 3-0 in sets of 25-8, 25-20 and 25-16. AIC Kosirain registered a similar scoreline against Tetu Girls. In yesterday's football matches, Kathungi of Northern Region held Upper Hill of Nairobi to a 2-2 draw. Upper Hill had to wait until the last minute for the first half when Ronald Otieno sneaked through Kathungi's defense to snatch the match opener. Kathungi would then increase attacks on resumption in search of an equalizer, and their efforts paid off when Lenny Carrier scored in the 52nd minute. Wilson